important update untuk Bitcoin dan di mana saya akan cari next long trade untuk Bitcoin. Dan saya ada satu setup yang saya rasa besar lah yang akan meletup yang saya nak share dengan you guys pada hujung video ini. But before we get started, let's take a look at the markets right now. Masih merah, right? We've had a few days of red. Ada juga hari yang hijau sikit. But today overall red, everything is starting to pull back. Permulaan minggu yang baru dan bulan ini memang ada sangat banyak news. Trading has been quite difficult. Saya sendiri tak enter banyak position sebab market sangat-sangat volatile, sangat sideways. A lot of news has been coming out dan kalau kita tengok news pun tak berapa baik, right? Kalau kita nampak warna hijau ni, right? Number warna hijau ni, actual keluar warna hijau, that means that the US dollar is strong. Dan bila US dollar strong, kenapa Fed perlu potong interest rate? Remember, interest rate is what will make the Fed pump more money. Dan bila mereka potong interest rate, mereka akan pump lebih banyak duit. Tapi kalau news keluar bagus, hijau for the US dollar, why do they need to cut interest rates? Right, so there has been speculation that mungkin pada bulan ini Fed tak akan cut rate pun. Right, there has been some speculation bahawa Fed tak akan cut rates pun. Tapi ada juga news yang agak bullish untuk bulan ini, iaitu I believe SEC Gensler akan keluar pada 20 Januari dan juga Trump akan ambil angkat sumpah inauguration pada 20 Januari atau 21 Januari. So this could be some bullish catalyst untuk crypto market. Again, this is all speculation sebab bagi saya, I still think that Trump walaupun dia pro crypto, dia tak kahwin dengan crypto. Trump ialah sebuah businessman. Dia kahwin dengan US dollar. So his first priority will be to strengthen the dollar sebelum dia strengthen the crypto market, right? So let's see how it goes. Anyway, I'm not really trading based on this news, but I would like to see how this actually plays out. Now, looking at the fear and greed index, kita masih dalam keadaan neutral. We have been going down quite far. I think we may get one more push down dan saya akan tunjuk anda ke mana kita mungkin akan push ke bawah. Right, we're going to pair this up with some liquidity levels and also some technical analysis levels, and we can actually look at where price might push down to. Alright, looking at the altcoin season index, let's take a look. Sekarang kita berada di bawah keadaan the mid zone. We are below 50. Right, we are below 50. So this is quite good. We're cooling off. We're giving some time for the altcoins to relax a little bit, right? Clearing out some liquidity, clearing out some open interest, right? Cooling down the funding rates. So this is pretty good, right? Now is the time to actually start looking at the charts and looking at the big levels of where you can buy your crypto. Okay, sebab banyak benda sedang pull back di higher time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame. So look at these higher time frame levels dan tengok di mana ialah harga terbaik yang you guys boleh enter crypto yang you nak enter, right? Again, nasihat saya ialah jangan over diversify, right? Focus on a few, concentrate on a few. Concentration will build your wealth, tapi jangan over diversify. Diversification is to keep your wealth. Bila you nak cuba build your wealth, try to concentrate on a few crypto yang you betul-betul rasa yakin. Okay. Looking at the liquidation heat map for the 1 week time frame, sekarang kita sedang push down, sedang masuk kepada zone liquidity dekat bawah ni. We can see the candle right here, just dipping in. Let me refresh this. Alright, we are just dipping into this liquidation level right here. And di atas ni ada zone liquidity yang besar juga, right, all the way up to about 99k, di mana kita ada 100 juta liquidity. But let's take a look. Kita tengok 2 week ya. Kita tengok 2 week time frame untuk liquidation heat map ini. And we can see selain daripada ni, we do have this zone right here around 90k yang mempunyai liquidity yang besar. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Let's go to 1 month. Okay, taking a look at 1 month. right? So just down here, okay, about 90k, we have 156 million, right? 156 million. So if we do get a push down here, this is the level I would be looking at to take a long position. Tapi untuk sementara ini, let's zoom in back to 2 weeks. Untuk sementara ini, kita sedang dip dan masuk pada this liquidity pool right here, and it lines up with a few technical indicators. Sebelum saya tunjuk anda technical indicator tu, in case ada orang yang tak dapat access account Bybit, yang you guys pernah buka account tapi sekarang tak dapat access dan you guys nak pindahkan duit ke, nak close trade ke, whatever, saya akan letak link di bawah di mana you guys boleh follow step-step yang berikut di sini. Okay, I've prepared all of this for you. Jangan risau, jangan takut. You can still access it. You can still use it like normal. Alright, Bybit sekarang dalam proses untuk mendapatkan kelulusan daripada SEC. So they had to temporarily pause access in Malaysia. But you guys can follow these steps. Saya akan letak link di bawah. Dia akan masuk kepada Telegram. Free Telegram. So you guys boleh masuk pada free Telegram Kyzen Crypto. I will put the link below. You guys can follow these steps to access your Bybit account. Now let's take a look at the charts right here. Okay, so Bitcoin, we are on the let's go to 1 hour time frame. We are on the 1 hour time frame, dan ini adalah weekend range kita, our weekend range right here. Weekend range right here. Sekarang kita sedang dip ke bawah. We are clearing out that liquidity, and if we actually pull a Fibonacci dari sini ke sini, we can see that the liquidation level yang kita sedang tengok tadi, it lines up quite nicely with 0.5, and a little bit lower than that is the 618 level. Now if we actually look at the range yang kita mark tadi, it's actually perfectly in the golden pocket, but I would prefer to line it up here. But whatever it is, it lines up with the 0.5 or the golden pocket right here. So this could actually be a good place to look for a long position. Saya akan enter sebuah long trade di sini. Targeting would be right up here. If we look at a bigger range, kita tengok range yang kita telah membentukkan di sini. Let's just pull a volume profile. We can see right now we are retesting back on the low range. So this lines up with the Fibonacci level dan juga low value area low di sini. This would be a nice place to take a long position. We will target the value area high first, which is a pretty good RR, 1.7 RR. If we manage to break and deviate ke atas, we will be looking to clear out these fair value gaps, right? So yes, this is a good trade I'll be looking for. Stop loss dekat bawah previous low ini, sebab saya tak nak hold dia ke bawah. Sebab kalau dia dip ke bawah lagi, we will be looking at the zone yang kita tengok tadi, this 90k liquidation zone. So kalau dia dip ke bawah, that will be a completely different trade which I'll be looking to take. So that will be based on this range right here, right? This bigger range, very big range, banyak liquidity dekat bawah ni. So we will be dipping below about 90k sini. If we do get a break below here, I would like to look for some type of reversal pattern, dan sini ialah area yang saya nak cari long trade yang besar, either here or here, bila kita dapat reclaim balik range ini. Okay, but for now, I think this is a pretty valid long trade. I will be entering a long trade here just based on those ideas alone, Fibonacci dan juga golden pocket. So that's what I'll be trading for today. Let's take a look at the other two. Ethereum saya dah enter sebuah long, tapi we are floating and lost, but it's okay, we'll see what happens. Saya tak nak enter trade lagi. Right now we are consolidating above this range right here, this previous range. So again, I have said that an ideal long would be down here, right? About 30k. About 30k would be an ideal long. Once we clear out this liquidity, I'd like to look for a long position. This long up here was a little bit FOMO, only based on this support level, but it's a risk we're taking, so it's okay. Currently masih floating dalam loss, tapi tak apa. Again, kalau dia break ke bawah, I'm looking to long at about 3k. Alright, 3k. Now looking at Solana, Solana. Let's look at Solana. Solana, I have this level yang saya dah mark 166 that I would like to long from. For now, kita masih di atas support sini. We are still above this support level. So, boleh long, tapi I see that we may have some weakness lah. We may have some weakness, but we'll see. We could deviate. What I see is we could have a deviation from this range, deviate, and we may continue up and just pull back to about here. And then once we reach this previous zone, we'll see how price reacts. Sama ada dia akan break ke atas atau dia akan reverse ke bawah. But again, this could be a valid long position to look for somewhere around here. If we get a deviation below here, come back into the range, and if we can break out to the other side, this would be a good long trade as well. Tapi saya takkan enter trade ini. I've already got my ethereum trade open and my bitcoin trade yang saya akan open sebentar lagi. Yeah, but for ethereum, the bigger trade I'm looking at is right here around 166. This is a much bigger, juicier trade yang kalau boleh saya nak enter trade ni and trade it all the way up to new highs. Now, sekarang untuk trade yang besar, yang juicy yang saya cakap tadi, this is H bar. So H bar has been accumulating for a long time. Saya sedang menunggu long, dan trigger yang saya sedang tunggu ialah this MACD daily. Okay, saya sedang tunggu MACD daily ini cross dan menjadi warna hijau before I enter long position. We've been accumulating for a very long time. Berapa hari? 42 hari accumulation. So I think if we break out from here, it would be a pretty big breakout. But I'm waiting for this trigger, the MACD. I'm waiting for it to cross, barulah saya akan enter sebuah long position. For now, kita sabar dulu, kita tengok dulu how this actually plays out. So itu saja untuk video kali ini. If you guys like the content, make sure you guys smash the like button. Dan kalau you guys nak buka account untuk mula trade, nak mula beli kripto dan sebagainya, saya akan letak link di bawah. You guys boleh buka account Pionex, which is the platform yang saya guna untuk trading. Okay, this is Pionex. It's exactly like any other exchanger, tapi kekuatan dia ialah dia ada built-in bot untuk trade. Okay, and I've been working very closely with the team. They are improving very fast, dan mereka ambil feedback dari user sangat-sangat very strongly lah. Right, they are really looking to improve the platform, and they've been working very hard to make it one of the best trading platforms. Okay, so itu saja untuk video kali ini. Make sure you guys like the video, komen dekat bawah apa you guys nak tengok di video seterusnya, dan jangan lupa subscribe. See you guys in the next one.